Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Canva's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Canva's account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in canva.com and make a search. The official page of Canva's account will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed option, click on Sign Up option. Now all you need to do is tap on Continue with Google. Choose a Google account and that's how you will be able to sign up for your Canvas account quickly and easily just in few steps. You can also sign up for your Canvas account using your Google, Facebook or email as well. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.